This is Igbo Area
Hello. Sometime in the news recently I read it was a breaking update. Ipob has abolished states in Biafra land and declares Biafra 25 province. We want to know what you think about that. Ipob abolished states in Biafra land, declares Biafra 25 province. That is to say, there is nothing like I am from this state. I am from Anambra, I am from Imo, I am from Rivers, I am from Delta. We are just about provinces. I came from this province. I came from this province. You know, actually, what divided us? During the Nigerian Biafran Civil War, the moment some people were being marked under a state, the division started. We were formerly Eastern region. The divide and rule tactics really destroyed us. From Eastern region, before you know it, River State was carved out. They started carving out states. Other states, Anambra, Cross River, so many of them. But if we look deeply, we are connected. But the state thing brought a division. So here are the 25 provinces according to Ipob. Please, I had a lot of people are not convinced. A lot of people are dissatisfied with Ipob's resolve. Not because it is not something good, but because there are areas were not mentioned under the provinces. Please calm down. I think Ipob is still working on something better. Here are the 25 provinces of Biafra according to Ipob. 1. Abo. 2. ASABA. 3. Aba. 4. WARRI. 5. Umuahia. 6. Olu. 7. Ikotebene. 8. Uyo. 9. Eket. 10. Ogoja. 11. Calabar. 12. Enugu. 13. Oji River. 14. Oka. 15. ONITSHA. 16. Nnewi. 17. Okigwe. 18. Anang. 19. Abakaliki. 20. Yenagoa. 21. WARRI. 22. Ahada. 23. Uweri. 24. Degema. 25. Port Harcourt, that is Igbo. According to Ipob, from that day of this pronouncement onwards, there shall be no more use of states, as the Republic of Nigeria created them without the consent and inputs of the indigenous people that were forcefully merged to form Nigeria. Biafra is made up of province, not state, as was unanimously agreed on 27th day of May 1967, when the then Eastern Region Consultative Assembly gathered to adopt our original name, Biafra, as Ojukwu was reminded by Chief Frank Opigo that our original name is Biafra. The provinces were adopted because they all represent our original identity. How can a white man come from nowhere without our invitation and he arrived and changed our name by force? No, no, no. In Biafra there will be nothing like state of origin. This is one of the plans of our forefathers. We are born democratic. Free Biafra. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you and bye for now.